video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you my least favourite squishy. It's my 6th favourite squishy, and I know you're thinking,
Anna, why are you doing your least to your 6?
well, I'm doing this because a couple videos ago, I think it was, I did a video where I did my top 5 favourite squishies, and I said if I got a certain amount of thingies, I would do my least favourite to my 6th favourite. That's why it's that weird odd number. So yes, so I'm going to get on the video. My least favourite squishy is this Shopkins Squish Delish squishy. I don't really like it that much. Wait, there's a squishy here that I'm missing. Oh my god, you know my last video that I did, this was actually my favourite squishy. And I'm so sorry guys that wasn't in my last video. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. So I'm going to put it to the side. Anyway, it's my least favourite squishy. That smile creeps me out. Okay, now time for my 10th favourite, which is this kind of like dolphin squishy. There's nothing really that bad about it, just that the squish isn't as nice as the other ones, and it's very defected. So now my ninth favourite is this one. This one's got a nice squish to it, and it would be higher up if this wasn't there. And all these cracks. 8th is this squishy. Quite a nice squishy. Don't really smell like anything. Now time my 7th favourite is this lovely llama. Now my 6th favourite is this lovely kind of cup. Oh, and that's it for this video. But I just want to show you something that I've recently started using makeup, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm getting a little bit old now, so I'm trying a few different types of makeup, and they are eyeshadow, mascara, and I'm not even trying lipstick yet. I'm still on kind of like lip gloss type of things, and this lip gloss is actually really nice, pink colour. See it on the lip. Already on the lip. Just apply a little extra coat. I will. Like this. So I'm just working on that. You probably wondered, like, my mascara definitely is not the best. I got some down here, but it's been applied. Eyeshadow, you know, it's literally just up there. It's not that hard to get wrong. And this palette I've used quite a bit. Some of these darker colours I don't actually tend to use. This one's got this one's been dugging for a video I tried to film, but never actually it failed to post. So thanks guys for watching, and thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.